Good morning, guys. It's July 4th and I am ready for the airport. That's my outfit. No blazer for today. Usually I'm always in the blazer, but not today. I'm just wearing something very light because it's hot in Cuba. Of course, it's my no makeup face. My Uber is coming outside right now. And I thought I just picked up my sunglasses. What did I do with them? Oh, guys. I thought I...
And Cuba is a tropical country. Okay.
We are in our neighborhood, guys. Guys, we are here. We've got three little beds, like little nuns. I don't know why, but I feel like this is what nuns' houses look like, with the little beds like this. Hey!
Hey guys!
And how cute is our apartment? This is moi in the mirror. Oh yeah, check out the back. This is our balcony, guys. How cute! Look at Bae, always looking cute. And this is the vibe. I feel like I'm home. I am just so surprised by the amount of people that look like us that's here. I don't know why I'm surprised, honestly, but I feel like I'm home. Guys, here's a cute little apartment. How nice is this? Look, they even give us a phone. This is our kitchen. It's so cute. Oh, here's a bathroom. I was looking for the bathroom. Did you find the closet, Deb?
Yeah, right here.
The bathroom is super cute. Hello guys, we are ready. Okay there. Alright, we're on the main street, so it's gonna be a little noisy. Oops. It's going to be a lot noisy in here. And this is my outfit for tonight. Skirt is from Mango. Crop top ASOS circa 1999. No, I'm joking. It's belly bag. So yeah, and we're ready to get something to eat. We just got here maybe like a couple hours ago, so we're just gonna walk around, find a place to eat because we are starving. And then yeah, I'm so excited. Right there you go. Shocker.
My hair together.
I love this top so much. It's so cute.
Thank you.
It.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm vlogging you right now.
Oh, hi. Hello.
Just putting in some film into the, what is that? Polaroid. Yes, that's what it is. Exactly. Oh, the lighting on this is great.
This is around I know. Hello guys, we are at La Paila. Ali recommended this place. He's the brother of the owner of the house where we're staying, so yeah, there's Jasmine here giving us that highlight. Our drinks in here. And look at this goodness. This looks so amazing. And this is my fish. That's our tostones here, rice and beans. How Caribbean of us, right? But that's why we're here. Hi. This is Havana at night. It's beautiful. I love it. Viva Cuba! Oh, you can still see the sky is so blue. We're going back to our apartment now. This is Cuba at night. As you can see, the cops are out there because there's a lot of bars in this neighborhood. We are in Vedado. That's Sophia in the corner. Good morning, guys. It's Thursday, July 5th. It's a busy morning out here in Havana. As you can see, our neighborhood is really popping. This is the main street, the main road. So in the US, that would be Main Street for you. And it's so busy, it's so loud, and then we have nightclubs downstairs, so at night, forget it. But I love it though. It's like we never even left New York City when it comes to the loudness of this place. This is a view from our little balcony. And I am ready to go. We're gonna go get breakfast. It's about 9:40 now. Once the girls are ready, and we'll head on our way to get breakfast. So I'm excited. Let's go. Can we tell if it's focused? Okay. Guys. Right? Got this beautiful car, guys. We made it to Cafe Archangel. The decor is just so beautiful. All the greenery going on over here. The inside.
DadouChic is ready for picture day. And there is Deb behind the camera right here.
Hermana. Hermana.
You a real friend when you squat to take your friend's photo. That's the real one right there.
Mi amor, te quiero. Oh, sorry.
No problem.
Beautiful picture. Beautiful.
low leg though.
You go bring it outside.
Guys, our breakfast is here. I didn't realize there's meat in this. Should have told them no meat. Thank you.
I'll take the meat.
Oh yes, thank you. Thank you. Got that right here. And the vegan. Nobody's hating. I was gonna make a croissant sandwich. This is on Old Havana downtown in the middle of everything. As you can see. Oh. And yeah. We're going to El Floridata. Look at this massive building. I don't know what it is, but I'm sure I can Google it. Here are the girls. This is me walking. So yeah, I don't want to keep saying it's really hot, but it is really hot. It's very humid. I'm out here surviving in this heat. Guys, we made it to Floridata. Oh my god, look at this pink little car. Deb, you in that pink little car? Oh my goodness. So cute. That's the vibe in here. We just ordered out their daiquiri. They have live music. Driving on the Malecon. You can see the sea there. This is the view of Havana from the rooftop of restaurant La Garita. As you can see, you're fine. You can see everything. They have the ocean over there. This is inside the beautiful Garida. It's beautiful.
Are we in Paris?
Right?
Your leg is doing something weird.
We're at Casa Miglis now. This is how it's spelled. We're having dinner. This place is beautiful. And we can view outside. Guys, it's dinner time. I've got the pescado, la paella, on the menu board over there. It's too dark, you can't see. I've got a margarita with a glass bigger than my face there. And Deb is drinking her mojito. And I'm having a cappuccino because I need some coffee. And how cute is this little bag that I bought earlier? For how much? I don't remember.
$6.
Yeah.
$6, whatever.
That was $6 and my hat was $8. $8. Okay people, $8. How cute is my hat? And it matches the bag. How cute with all this decorative things. So if you're ever here and you're staying in Vedado, which is the area that we're staying, you have to come eat at La Paila. This is the place. I'm about to be here all the time just eating my rice and beans. Thank you so much. Thank you. Merci. So yeah, we're going to be here every day just eating this goodness. And then for breakfast, Cafe Archangel is the place to be.
That place was the whole.
What's home now, guys? And we're just been sitting in the park using the internet, and it's a struggle over here. It makes you really grateful for the internet you have back home. When it's not working for 2 seconds, you want to break something, right? And then when you're here, you don't have that kind of luxury. So, you know, it just helps you put things into perspective, really. So, back home now. I'm just gonna drink some Fanta that was sold to us very aggressively. They were not having it. We finally find some like Haitian style free Thai. Well, Cuban style free Thai. That's what we would call it in Haiti. But I've been like craving some Fanta because I haven't had a Fanta in such a long time. So yeah, they were not having it. So aggressive. See, I can't even speak tonight. So yeah. And then they have the nerve to sell it. It's not even cold. Like in a hot country like this, how is it legal to sell stuff that's not cold? So I put the soda in the freezer now. Can't wait to have some. I don't drink soda, but you know. When in Cuba or Haiti, drink irresponsibly. It's good for you. So I really love my bed and my mama. Sorry, so this is my little bed over here. I feel like we're just living in like little sorority thing with all little beds. It's so cute. Yep. Oh, did you guys see my new bag? And it matches my new hat. Look at it. You see with the bow over here? It's so cute. Alright, I'll do this. I like it. Actually, I'll take it off so you can see. It's so cute. But you'll be seeing it in a vlog. What I got for Cuba vlog. So yeah, we did a lot of shopping today. Also got new shoes. Thanks to Deb for being the real MVP and nosy to go all the way to the back and find these shoes. I ended up buying one, and I want to go back to get the yellow ones because they are so stinking cute. So yeah, more stuff to buy. Why are you laughing right now?
I'm going to sleep.